am Danny, and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventure. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And then hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Today, I am going to store my delicate plants under my greenhouse during the winterly cold months. I will keep them watered during the winter and will remove the greenhouse when the weather permits. The greenhouse, which I constructed out of PVC, plastic clear sheeting, and plastic zip ties, protects the plants from frost and from the freezing cold winds. During these cold months, I will also store my umbrellas in my garage. I store them immediately after the swimming season, which is usually late August to early September. But since we had some unseasonably warmer weather, I am now getting around to securing them. I feel that I extend the life of my umbrellas by giving them about a 6-month break from the damaging UV rays of the sun and from the adverse conditions of winter while they are not being used. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It does mean a lot. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when I come out with my next video. So y'all stay warm, and I'll see y'all the next time.